Hello engineers. Today's topic liquid pressure. What is liquid pressure guys and how liquid creates the pressure in the tank? Generally, the liquid pressure created in the tank due to weight of the liquid guys. So let's see with the example. Imagine a beaker with three holes of different elevations. If you open the three holes at a time, then which will be the highest flow of water guys here? The bottom one, right? Because it has the greatest head pressure. So if your head is high, the liquid pressure is more. If your head is low, the liquid pressure is low. So let's calculate the pressure. So we know pressure is equal to force by area, right? So here force is nothing but weight of your liquid column. So by area. So P is equal to rho GH. This is the formula for static head pressure or liquid pressure. So let's see how it came into picture. Here I am considering a beaker with water of height H and area A guys. So let's find out weight. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, right? So here mass is equal to density into volume. Volume is equal to area of the cylinder into height. So if you substitute in this mass formula, you will get mass is equal to density into A into H. Substitute this mass formula in weight guys. So weight is equal to rho AH into G. So here G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So substitute again weight in pressure formula. So you will get P is equal to rho AHG by A. So this A and this A cancel guys. So finally you will get rho GH. So this is how you need to calculate the liquid pressure guys in your tank. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.